Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. In today's video we will take a look again at the Japanese yen, because as you can see on the euro currency market stands really in tight range, so around 112 area, and we need to see some more signs to understand what's really will happen there. So if market in the nearest couple of sessions will drop below 112 and it's going to right back down to the 111, this will be not very good sign for the bullish perspective, and it could mean that market probably has no sufficient power to continue move higher, and really increase the chance that 111 also will be broken. But if market will be able to hold above 12 area, well, in this case the chances on the bottom line that we have discussed in upward actions will exist, and we probably could discuss the possible upward action on the euro currency. But before this will happen, as you can see right now, the euro currency nothing to discuss because market stands in very tight range within the recent sessions, so it's nothing really is going on there. That's why I think that currently it makes sense to take a look at the Japanese yen. Besides, here we have the setup in progress that we have started in the last week. When the market has formed bullish sign, and we have estimated the possibility, we have estimated some patterns and the possibility that market could take it out of this top. So first of all, take a look that this has started from the upward action here. This is daily chart on the Japanese yen. In general, market is calling around 100 even marking. So this is very important support area, psychological and the technical on the weekly chart. This market has shown the bounce up, shows the 618 retracement right back down here, and starting move to the upside. On the way up, on the last week, we have estimated couple of the bullish stop grabbers. The bullish stop grabbers here and here, this is the pattern that suggests the taking out of this stop, because it calls the stop grabber when usually traders place the stops. It's above the previous extreme point. That's why it calls us the stop grabber, that it has minor target, it's taken out of the stop. But at the same time, we said that market could show any action until these lows. If these lows will survive, in this case the grabber will be valid. And although market has erased by this retracement, steep retracement was, it has erased this level, this grabber, because as you can see this price close was below the low of the grabber. That grabber has survived and it's still valid. And you can see that market actively, especially on the recent Bank of Japan speech, as you can see market is starting to move higher. So on the daily chart we see just one target. So this is approximately maybe this could be the 127 extension, is 105.20 area. Why I have chosen this one? Because this is 127 extension of this swing down, and you can see here we could get the butterfly. So that could become the left wing of the butterfly, that could become the right wing. But this target right now stands above the daily overbought, so it's not very actual for us right now. So it's a bit extended, because on the way up we also will have a previous top, and also we will have monthly pivot resistance one, and only after that we have the target. That's why let's treat this target as a bit extended, as potential target, especially if we will see this butterfly will start to form. And on the intraday charts we will estimate a bit closer targets. Let's call it as the minimum target of this overall this bullish setup. Right now, as you can see, market shows very nice tendency, some kind of acceleration thrust on the intraday charts. On the daily chart, market has moved above the monthly pivot point, so overall situation looks bullish. Trend is shifting bullish right now. price action is bullish, and overall this action is moving up. 618 retracement, and here again signs of the thrust. Upward action looks very nice. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we could focus on this ABCD pattern. This ABCD pattern also has bullish sign. Here, by the way, the 618 support that I was talking about. Take a look what we have there. The CD leg of the ABCD pattern is faster than the AB leg. This is very good sign. So here we definitely see the signs of thrust. So you can see significant candles closing on the open on the bottom, closing on the top, and so on. So as you can see, very fast action. Market shown the direct action right to 100% target with the acceleration. This suggests that if even some retracement will happen here, it's probably market will continue move higher. Next target will be what, 1618. 1618 stands, as you can see, above this top, and that is the top that should be taken out by the stop grabber. That's why as the minimum target we probably could be focused on this 1618 extension that stands at 104.40 area. That's probably the target that we will choose for as the first destination of this action. Also, guys, if you trade on the intraday charts, you could watch for this thrust up. Right now it's not quite sufficient, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle to the upside. But if market will show some a bit higher action, because I'm not sure that this retracement will happen, we just see that market has reached the extension targets, 100% extension. So AB equals CD pattern has been completed. But if market will form some more candles to the upside, you could use this thrust also for possible double directional patterns such as bread and butter, for example. Just keep watching on this, maybe we will get it. But right now, as market has hit this extension, maybe some minor retracement will happen. So if you're searching the chance for taking the long position on the Japanese yen, you could watch for 1 or 250, 1 or 260 area. This is the confidence support on the hourly chart, and take a look. This is also an area of the weekly pivot point. It's former top also here, so that's why it looks not bad for possible taking the long position if you would like to do this. Because market right now not at the very bad on the daily chart. Market hasn't quite reached some significant targets on only ABCD on the 4-hour time frame chart, but we see definitely the acceleration here. That's why for a bullish market, retracement to this area, to the major 3-8 support and this confidence support looks sufficient. This will be enough to show retracement as a respect of this target and then continue move higher. I will not be surprised if market will show even very, very small retracement. It's also possible. Also, we could get some kind of the agreement. For example, if we will get some kind of the ABCD pattern retracement that will create an agreement, that will be even better. Also, guys, pay attention how harmonic this action. So if you will measure this distance as to upside as these retracements, they are almost equal. So this is very good sign. This tells that this upward action is stable and this is and very strong. So it's real purchasing standing beyond of this upward action. That's why it's very harmonic. So that's what we see right now on the Japanese yen. So we see that overall daily stop is not bad. It suggests a not bad potential. So even currently it stands for at least 100 pips to the upside or even greater if we will get the butterfly. This here we have the patterns and overall action very, very clear, and it's very looks absolutely normal for bullish behavior as it should be. So that's why if you want to take the long position, keep an eye on possible retracement here, because this looks not bad level for making the position. So that's all for today. Let's see what will happen. Also, guys, just a couple of words on the recent our double repos on the Canadian dollar and on the Australian dollar. Actually, guys, we didn't get any. So as you can see, here we have the close below 3 by 3 this Canadian dollar, but we haven't got the second close. That's why we haven't got the direct double repo. As we haven't got the direct double repo, we can't get the double repo failure. You could get the double repo failure only if you have the direct double repo confirmed. That's why, as you can see, we haven't got these patterns. On the Australian dollar, all the same situation, only to the downside. So that's why currently we will continue watching what's going on here. But right now, it seems that the Japanese yen also provides not bad step.